Hello there, YouTube. I hope you all are having a blessed day. I am here with a very short haul. I have a box that has come from Ferris Wheel Press, and I found them on Instagram, and they sell inks. Very, very pretty inks. So I bought two just to try them. So let me turn the camera around and we'll get started. So these people are located in Yorkville, Illinois, and I found them on Instagram. And the items are very well packed, and when you're dealing with glass bottles of ink, that counts. They go above and beyond with their packaging. So these are just really, really beautiful. This is 28 mil, well, same size, the same brand, but this one is a blue. You can see the bottoms. So these are the kind of boxes that you would want to cut up and use in a art journal. They're just so pretty. And I have to admit, these were on sale. That's why I bought these. And they were waterproof, and that's very important to me. This one doesn't have any mica. This one does. It's a beautiful, like, burnt copper, warm bronze. Very, very pretty. So I will disassemble these boxes, and oh, I like this guy. There he is. Or I should say the lady. And this guy is not sure what he's, I think maybe he's a beaver. I think so. I don't know. But they're cute. All right, I have a piece of watercolor paper here, and I'm going to press down good here, so hopefully prevent the ink from escaping. It has a stopper in it. These bottles are so pretty. So I'm going to take a long brush and dip it in, and I'm holding it from the top of the brush so I have less control. And this is not supposed to be a work of art. I'm just playing and testing. And these are waterproof, so you're going to want to wash your brush off when you're done. And I'm just pressing the brush down to the belly and then lifting up. Not doing anything fancy. And this is calligraphy ink, and this is called Port Pirouette. And I'm taking some clean water, and I'm dropping in some water here to make petals or shapes. Oh, so pretty. Oh, wow, that is stunning. Always cover your jars when you're playing with your inks so you don't have an accident, especially if it's waterproof. And I'm not doing anything fancy here. I'm just dragging it with the brush into the flowers. And this is staining. Let's see if we can't drop a wee bit of water in the flowers. Bit of movement. I really like these. And let's get a close up so you can see the colors and the coverage. And I'm holding it up and letting the red ink run back into the blue, into the green stems. And I'm just playing with it. I'm just having fun. There we go. That went all the way down to the bottom. And now I can turn it around, let it go back up. That is really, really beautiful. I can see some of the glitter mica. It's not glitter, Melissa. Glitter is for kids. Mica is for adults. Grown-up version of glitter. So yeah, I can see some of the sparkles, and it almost looks like it's granulating. So yes, I do like that very, very much, and I will be using it. And I'll wait until I get a coupon, or I find some more that are on sale, and I will continue to play with them. I will show, here it is. It's mostly dry. I used a hair dryer, and I probably could have maintained some of the granulation. Like in the puddles here, I see the granulation, but where I use the hair dryer, it's kind of flat. But if I had let it dry naturally, it would have granulated a bit more. But I really had fun with it. It's very, very fun. I've seen so many people playing with inks in a watercolor practice, and I was very, very excited to try it. So I was very, very happy to find these on sale. This one is Galloping Green. This one is Port Pierrot, and they are both 28 mil, and they are, here's the boxes, and it says professional quality inks for life's greatest celebrations, premium quality, waterproof, smudge resistant, durable, and light fast. So don't be afraid to try your hand with some of these inks. I know if you go on Instagram and you type in Ferris Wheel Press, you'll be able to find them. And I'm sure if you typed in ferriswheelpress.com, you'd get there as well. It's designed in Canada, but made in the US. No, but made in the UK, Toronto, Ontario. That is my experiment with the inks, and I can see the glitter. It's very, very fine and quite lovely. Very, very nice. So this was a very short little video. I just wanted to play with the inks and see how they work. And I'm very, very pleased with them. And I will definitely be using them more. Thank you so very much for watching. And I hope you learned something. I hope you'll give these a try. Again, Ferris Wheel Press. You can find them on Instagram and look for the sales. Very, very nice. And it was pretty quick shipping. I will see you right back here at 70 Acre Studio next time with our next video real soon. You all have a very, very blessed week ahead. I love you all so very much. God bless.
Good night, Elizabeth.
Good night, John Boy. You are